In this video, I will be disassembling this 2017 Land Rover Discovery Sport Xenon Headlight. Here's the part number on the light. I will begin by cutting off the rest of the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. I will begin by removing the T10 screws holding on the front bezel. There are two T15 torque screws holding on the turn signal reflector. This LED circuit board will simply slide out. There are two T15 torque screws holding in this light bar holder. There's one wire harness clip here in the corner. There are three T15 torque screws holding on this upper LED. Next, I will slide out this LED controller board. Next, from the rear of the light, I'm going to reach into the rear of the headlight and unlock the bottom mounting tab. Once it's unlocked, you should be able to twist it and wiggle it out. There are now two mounts remaining on top of the projector. I'm going to use a T15 Torx driver and slide it into the center of the one on the inside and turn it all the way to the left to remove it. Next, I will use a flathead screwdriver to depress the tabs on the final mount. With the final mount released, we can pull the projector out. There are two wire harness connectors on the rear of the projector. Next, I'll twist the wire harness connector to the left and push it into the light. The wire harness is now free from the light. The headlight is now empty. The LEDs for the front daytime running light are all plastic welded to this bracket. I will have to break them off to get access. The shroud on the projector is clipped into place on three sides. There are 4 T10 torque screws holding on the bottom swivel motor. There are 2 T15 torque screws holding in the projector in the top of the bracket. There are 4 T15 torque screws holding the projector bowl to the lens. I'm going to remove the lens by releasing the clip on either side. Here's the first LED circuit board. Here's the second LED circuit board. Here are the LED daytime running lights. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.